Kofte Berenjy. I call it little hedgehogs because they look like hedgehogs. It's basically meatballs with rice,
Grinded meat, onions, black lemons, spices are cumin, sumak. I'm going to use Thina. We're going to add egg, and here's what's going to make these meatballs very rich but fluffy, not heavy. It's going to give it a fresh taste. I'm using parsley and cilantro, and there is one other thing we need for the meatballs, and that's rice. I soaked it.
They're not heavy and thick. If you use the blender, they're going to be like one ball with one texture. You're not going to feel the chunks in it, and I kind of like to feel all of the chunks. So I'm just cutting it with my two left hands. This is too thick. I'm going to add it. I'm going to use one onion. I'll put, well, maybe I'll put just a little bit more. It's about a little bit more than 1 cup. And I'm going to mix it. And just before I get to cover them with the rest of the rice, I'm going to taste it to see if, well, the size, the bigger they are, the better they hold together. The smaller they are, the better the taste. So I'm going to make in 2 sizes. This is a very small one. Once it's cooked. And of course, as always, lots of greens. You can use the stem of the greens that we put in the meatballs. For soup, it's okay. And black lemons, Persian lemons, limon Amani. I'll just start by... Now, once there is a soup here, the meatballs are going to sit on tables. So they can sit on the leeks, or they can sit on the beet. So I'm going to cut it like this or like this, and we're just going to place them. They're going to be cooked as well, and it's a nice addition. Then you can put them on the plate on top of this as well if you want. This. Now, Okay, now I'm going to place well, let's call them coasters. The coasters for meatballs. And now I'm just going to place them like this.